Alright, so okay. This is the app purchasing. This is where the entire build process is reading the config file. This is for iOS. I won't be discussing iOS, so we are doing just Android. You have to, this version code has to be unique for every build. So I'll just iterate by one. That's what you do every time you want to build a new version. I've already configured EAS. So EAS is like a CI/CD for EXPO development. So I'll just go and do EAS build mouse platform Android. EAS build. I think I'm not sure of the command. Alright, so the command is not correct. And I think it's -p. Platform. Alright, that's correct. So for iOS I can build and deploy with EAS, but for Android it's very simple. I'll just build from EAS. To configure the deployment from EAS is very stressful. You have to configure a file in your Google Play Store account, and they use too many keys, so I don't want to do that right now. So if you go to this profile, the EXPO dev dashboard I added you to already, you will see the build progress. So let me copy the URL. Oh, what did I do? I was supposed to build a app bundle, so I'm not sure whether it's building a bundle or APK. So I'm supposed to specify bundle or APK. I didn't do that. I will likely cancel this build and try again, but let me check if the default is bundle, then I will not cancel it. But if it's not, then I will have to. Alright, so the build will take a long time. I'll pause the video. Alright, so let's check our build right now. You can see all the processes are green, everything is done and it's correct. So this is our .aab file. If I want to build APK, then the command will be, I'll specify the type as APK. I think this is a command for APK. Though I don't need an APK, but let's just say this. Ouch. I think it's .apk. I'm not sure. Ouch. Okay, I'm not sure of the command. Anyway, what I need is .aab. The difference between the two is AAB is compressed, so it's the app that will be downloaded from Play Store. We have a smaller size if you are using .aab, but if you use .apk will be heavy. It's going to include all your libraries and all the extensions you installed, but this AAB will be smaller, so that's why I always prefer AAB. So now that we have our build, you can download this and upload it to Play Store. So give it a name that you can easily remember. Then